How to uninstall Norton Antivirus on your computer. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Start menu and right click on your Start menu. Then go to Installed Apps. After that, simply search for Norton Antivirus and then tap on this three dot of the application, and then what you will have to do is simply tap on uninstall, and the Norton antivirus application will be uninstalled. After that, go to Start menu again and then simply search for Run. Now simply type percentage local app data percentage and then set OK. Now find the Norton antivirus software's file and then right click on it and then delete it as well. So that's how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.